Hi there guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Viber activation error. Firstly, get up into your Play Store by getting on your site, go to Play Store, then on the search box type for Viber, and when you get up into that application you need to make sure that you have the latest version of Viber. If you don't have it, you're gonna be able to just tap on update section, in which it's gonna shows up on your green side line on your right side. But as you can see, I have an open site, which means that I have the latest version of Viber. And now the next thing what you need to do, you need to go to settings on your phone, then you need to go for applications, and when you get up right here you need to go for manage applications. On this setup, go on the search box and type for Viber, go for it, and then go right down for clear all data, and here you're gonna find out these two options. Firstly, go for clear cake, clear all cake in this case, and if it doesn't work again, go for clear all data, and then Senstify. It will shows up if you have, for example, a bad internet connection. You need to connect by your mobile data. Thanks for watching guys, don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.